Welcome to the inspiring journey of Sathi Goswami, a story of resilience and hope. Life tested her in unexpected ways, but she emerged stronger, determined to rebuild her life and find a new purpose. Sathi grew up in a modest family in Boral, with her father working in government service. Her mother managed the household, while her siblings pursued their own paths, each facing unique challenges. Initially, Sathi had little ambition beyond her daily routine. She tutored a student for a small income and envisioned a simple life as a housewife, unaware of the challenges ahead. In March 2018, Sathi's life changed when she married a man she barely knew. Initially, things seemed fine, but her mother-in-law's dominating behavior soon made her life unbearable. Sathi faced constant criticism and body shaming, leading to accusations of mental instability. Isolated and distressed, she was eventually thrown out of her in-laws' house with nothing. Heartbroken, Sathi returned to her parents' home, battling feelings of despair for a year. Despite the challenges, she found the strength to move forward and rebuild her life. Sathi started small, working in cloth cutting and supervising. She enrolled in a basic computer course, which opened new opportunities, leading to a job at a computer center. Her hard work paid off, and she secured a job in the share market, earning a significant income. This achievement marked a turning point in her journey towards independence. However, life dealt her another blow when she was diagnosed with PVVP, requiring 6 months of treatment. Despite this setback, Sathi refused to give up on her dreams. Determined to continue her journey, Sathi began tutoring again and enrolled in a primary teacher's training course. She realized the importance of English communication in her path. Joining Learn English, Love English, Sathi slowly regained her confidence. Her marriage might have ended in heartbreak, but it marked the beginning of her transformation. Sathi, once mentally broken, found the courage to rebuild her life. She balanced her tuition work with her ambitions of becoming financially independent, determined to stand tall. Sathi's journey is a powerful reminder that no matter how dark times may seem, there is always a way forward. Her courage to rebuild her life is an inspiration to many. Through perseverance and self-discovery, Sathi found her path. She may not have started with grand dreams, but today, she is mentally strong and determined to achieve her goals. Sathi's story is not just about overcoming adversity, but also about discovering one's true potential. Her journey inspires us to believe in ourselves and pursue our dreams relentlessly. As Sathi continues her journey, she knows that with perseverance, she will achieve her goals. Her story reminds us that resilience and hope can lead to a fulfilling and independent life. Thank you for joining us on Sathi Goswami's inspiring journey. May her story of resilience and hope inspire you to overcome your challenges and pursue a life of dignity and independence.